Now we are going to configure the other three system, Windows 10, this C10 and C20. First we will go to the Windows 10 system and we will change the address to 192.168.0.30 and we will specify the gateway as 192.168.0.1. So let us go to Windows system. So we will log in as, in our case the password is ASDF #1234. So we will go to open network settings. We are going to make adapter settings, Ethernet, change adapter option. So we will right click on this properties. We will go to this properties. Now what we are going to do, we are going to change the address. We want it to be 192.168.0.30 and the mask is going to be, we are going to specify the mask as 255. And what about the gateway? We are going to specify the gateway as 192.168.0.1. So this is going to the gateway. If we are not going to specify the gateway, then this system will not be able to communicate. So okay. So we are going to close, and with the command you can also verify here. That means by opening CMD you can also verify. So in our case, if we are going to run this command ipconfig, so it is showing this is the IP address 192.168.0.30. This is the mask, this is the gateway. So now we are going to go to our to Linux system. We will go to the C10 system and we are going to check IPAS, which is the address. It is 172.24.0.10 and with root minus n. Now no command is there. So first we have to give the this address. You can say we have to give the gateway address. Now how we are going to give the gateway address? Now in our case we will be giving the gateway address by running this command etc sysconfig network scripts ifcfg ENS33. So in our case we will give the address as a gateway equal to, in this case the gateway is 172.24.0.1 and we are going to reboot the system, or what we can do, instead of rebooting systemctl, restart network. Same thing we are going to do on C20 system. So we will go to the C20 system. Here we will check the address. So the address is this 172.24.0.20. Let us check IP route command. Now what it is saying, no gateway is there. So what we have to specify, we are going to change the interface file. We will open that file sysconfig network scripts fg ENS 33 and we are going to make one change. We are going to specify gateway equal to 172.24.0.1. We will save this file. We will restart the service, systemctl restart network. Now we will verify. For verifying, we can use this command IP route. Now it is showing default via 172.24.0.1. Same way we can check here, IP route. It is showing default via 172.24.0.1. So in our case, we have configured this as a router. We have configured this window 10 also. We have configured this C30 also, and C20 also. And here we have specified the gateway as 172.24.0.1. Here also for this, the gateway is this. That means for this system, this is going to be the gateway. For this system, this is going to be the gateway. Now what we need to do, we need to test whether our routing functionality is working properly or not.